Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your side button isn't working or you simply prefer shutting down your iPhone from settings, Apple gives you a safe built-in option. In iPhone settings 2026, you can power off your iPhone without pressing any physical buttons. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off your iPhone using settings in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open settings on your iPhone. So this is where system power controls are located. So scroll down and tap General. Okay, so this section manages system actions and shutdown. Now scroll all the way down and tap Shutdown. So you will see the power slide. Okay, slide to power off. So swipe the slider, slide to power off. Okay, so once you tap this, you will find a slide, so your iPhone will turn off completely. Okay, so wait for iPhone to shut down. The screen will go black after a few seconds. iPhone is fully powered off, no apps running, battery usage stops. Okay, so turn iPhone back on. To power it back on, press and hold the side button. Release when Apple logo appears. Your iPhone boots normally. When to use settings shutdown. Okay, so this method is useful when side and volume buttons are broken, you want a safe manual shutdown, troubleshooting system issues, and preparing for travel or storage. Okay, so the difference between power off and restart: power off completely shuts down the iPhone and restart turns off then on automatically. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.